People able to hear me? Okay, so yeah, people see here. I'm just showing one more time, like how to create a project. So just follow. Okay, I know you people know, but still. So here, web application. After that, here .NET framework. Only this one only we need to select always. Click on next. Okay. So after that, what? Okay. Now click on what? Create. So now what we need to select here? Tell me, empty and empty. Click on create. No. We don't need to select web forms. We are going with scratch. So everyone joined in that WhatsApp group. Joined? So please message here who did not join. So Balaji yesterday shared the link. Right? If you have my number, just message me later so that I will share that group link. Okay, now here web form. So we can add we can rename or we can use the same name, whatever based upon. So please join. So if everyone join, then I can share my share our book. That's the reason I'm asking. So please join. Okay, I will share that C# book and also ASP.NET book. So that's see. Some people are asking me like, sir, please give the book or something. See, so if I share, then what will happen? The people who did not join, they will ask me again. So it's like rework for me. So I will share at one point so that everyone will receive that and no one will ask me that book again. That's the reason I'm saying. Okay, so maybe so we'll wait for 1 or 2 days, and after that I will share this ASP.NET and C# book also. So I will share some interview questions on C#. Okay, fine. So now click on what? Web form. Okay, done. So Balaji, this is yesterday's one only, Balaji. And so if someone missed the class, please ask our admin if they can provide videos or something. But I cannot repeat complete class, right? So because someone did not join or something. So then what will happen? Tomorrow someone will say something, and day after tomorrow someone, and after a few days someone will say something. So we cannot repeat the class, right? So even those people also will struggle. Okay. So now I'm just opening my toolbox. So from here, we can drag and drop any item. That's what we have seen yesterday, right? Okay. So basically, our .NET application, we used to host in our IaaS. What is IaaS means? Internet Information Service. Okay. What is that? Internet Information Service. Okay. So if you just we need to before checking like before hosting services, or if you want to work with IaaS. Okay, so how can we do that means? So now open control panel. Okay, from here, programs, here somewhere turn off features on off. So here you will find, just give me a second. Okay, so what we will do, here we will see internet information service somewhere. Where is that? Yeah, this one. Okay, so see here. So here what you need to do, so you need to check all these things. If you don't check even single one, then we cannot do anything. So I mean that was not installed. That means okay. So how to check that one means, so run inet mgr. Then it should open like this. Okay. Sir, why, sir? So just for now, you just check what I'm doing. Going forward, when we are discussing about ASP.NET applications and all, how we need to register our application in IAS or something. So you need to have some knowledge on it. That's the reason I'm just explaining. So what is the first step we have done here? People tell me. So yeah. So are you guys able to understand? No, I will unmute Bhaskar. Yeah, Bhaskar. Bhaskar.
Yeah, sir, I understand.
Yeah, okay. Bhaskar, now tell me. So what I need to do? First, I need to open what? Control panel, right?
Right.
Yeah. So see here, just follow. So after that, tell me what I need to do after opening control panel.
Select programs.
Programs. After that,
Turn Windows features on or off.
correct. So now here we need to check for what? IIS. What is IIS? Internet Information
Information
Services.
service.
Okay.
Okay.
So this checkbox should be checked. See, if it is like this, see that means that is that see some of them was not checked or something. See, because these four checkboxes did not check, that is the reason it is coming like a dot. But our information services, I mean, in my system, I see I am teaching for everyone. So for every batch, I need to check and I need to install some, maybe somewhere it got installed. For me, it got installed, but for a people, definitely it is not installed, right? That's the reason. So if that is not installed, click on it, and if you click on OK, then it will it needs some internet connectivity. So it will download and it will install the IAS. Okay, once after successful installation of IAS, so run inet mgr, then this IAS will open like this. Okay, got it? Anyone have questions? Can I explain again? Okay, I'm taking it as no. Okay. So see, what we have written in our book. IIS is a web server, all ASP.NET application. We can save ASP.NET two ways. One is disk location and IIS. So currently we are going with disk location, that is fine. But IIS, registering or saving ASP.NET, go to some driver and clear. See, just I'm explaining. So how can we save applications? So basically, we can save our applications in two ways. One is disk location, like our C drive or D drive, default, whatever we are doing currently, that one. So, and the second one is we can save with IS also. How we will save in C drive or D drive? So so if I tell this one, then sir, why sir you are telling? So like 7th class or 6th class student. So no. So see here, people see here. So you will open some C drive or D drive. You will create one folder there, and you will create one website location, and you will simply give the path. That's it. That is done. Now steps to install IIS. This point is the most important here. So in previous in previous days, so in olden days, so we used to have this CD and all, and from there we need to install. But nowadays, so we don't need to install like that. But I will just give the steps to install IIS. Okay. Okay, so better I will keep here. Otherwise, sir, where we are getting the CD, sir? Maybe after some days, maybe this Windows 7, this Windows, I mean Microsoft people will remove, what is that? CD option, like so there will be some space or there. So like when we click on a button, the CD drive is opening, right? They will remove that also maybe. So tell me, start, settings, control panel. After that, here what we are doing here now, add or remove program. Okay. So after that, what? Add or remove Windows components. Okay. Here what you need to do and check. So this one, step one, this one, and step two. Click on IAS checkbox. Okay. Okay. After that, if that is not installed, click on install. There only. Okay. So the step 3 will be check whether the IS installed in your machine or not. So now how to check IS installation in machine. Okay. How we will do that? Tell me. Start, run inet mgr. Okay, that's it. See the window, how that window will see like this. See, now I'm start run. I'm just going for run. Windows R, or we can keep anything. Okay. What is that? INETMGR. Okay. See this one. INET MGR. Click on OK. So this window should be open. If a window is open with IIS, then IIS was installed. Okay. Done. That's it. So are you guys clear now with the steps also? So you people will feel like, sir, this is so complex, sir. So people are feeling like that. So don't worry. So wait for some 6, 7 classes. Then you will become perfect. So many notepads. Okay. Okay. Just note down this one. Okay. Those who ever not joined our WhatsApp group, please message me. And this is my number here. I'm just keeping. So see, I can see some people still did not join. So see, why I'm asking, like, so I want, if I want to share the books and all, so then if you are done with everything, then only I can. Okay, so I can see 46 people, no, maybe some 10 people or 6, 7. So those people whoever opted for video also, please, yeah, I have given my number there. Just send me message. So I'll wait for today and tomorrow, and Saturday mostly I will mm, share the required documents, whatever, I mean, whatever they needed. Okay. Okay, so can I move to next topic? Okay. So I'm just moving to next topic. What is Sosni? I don't know what where you want me to scroll. Okay, finally we are. Yeah, she was asking something. Notepad. That is the last step. Okay, so that is the last step. Okay then. So I will just now go for this coding technique. So we already seen, and after that, our beautiful controls will come, and after that we can happily start with what coding. Okay, so then your boring I mean the boring sessions will be completed, and the most interesting things will come. So I will plan for one session on ADBO.NET. We'll explain end to end everything. So after that, we'll see some examples on ADBO.NET. Okay, so once we got some clarity on it, then we can work on anything. Okay, so after completion of ADBO.NET, I will give some real-time project for you guys. I will ask how to do and all. So after read, I will explain how to read it from one page to another page and all. I will ask you people to do that. And if anyone have any questions or something, you people can connect with me. So see, simple. You can send me a message like, "Sir, I'm facing this issue." It's screenshot. I will definitely help. Okay. You guys, please don't message or don't chat in the WhatsApp group. See, that is strictly for only .NET related information only. Okay, so if you have doubts, you can post there. Someone in the group will help, or I will help. Okay, if something related to, see, for example, if tomorrow is holiday, a day after tomorrow is holiday, or if we have half an hour extra session or something, then I will pass the information in that group only. Strictly that is for only .NET related. So no forward messages, no holidays, no happy Dasara, no happy Sankranti, something, nothing. So we should not post, strictly not allowed, and also so no good morning, no good night messages also. Okay, so and if someone is misusing or someone is I mean, if maybe if someone is misusing the group for any reason, so people can inform me. I will immediately remove those people. Okay, so this is, we are professionals and we should behave like a professionals. That's my request. Okay, so please don't misuse the group. Like we have so we have so many numbers in that group. That's the reason. Okay, fine. So coding technologies in ASP.NET, basically we have two things. One is code inline and code behind. Now, what is code inline? So what is code inline means this one. This webform.aspx is code inline, and webform.aspx.cs is code behind. So where we will write code behind logic. So in our .cs file. So we'll write inline code in our HTML. So that is what our ASPX pages. Okay, got it. So code behind means, so all the logic. See, for example, when we discussed in our initial classes, if we have taken an example of facebook.com, so facebook.com means what? It's a combination of what? Language and technology. So that language is nothing but so what we will do there, so when I click on login, it should redirect to my home page only. Sir, when you click on login, it will redirect to your home page only, sir. Why it will redirect to my home page or my brother home page or my girlfriend home page, sir? So someone asked me like that. But correct, I agree for that. But now people tell me, if someone did not implemented this logic, then how it will go, right? So then what will happen? So if you enter my username and if you enter your password, then if you click on login, it will go. So if you enter my username and Pakistan terrorist password, then it will go there, or something XYZ. So then what will happen? So anyone can do any miracles with your Facebook now. So that's the reason logic is the important. So similarly, if I don't have this user interface, there is no place to enter username and password. Now people tell me, will this website will work? Nothing. So where I will enter my username, where I will enter my password, where I will click the login button, because there is no user interface. How we'll get user interface? By using technology. By using technology. That is what ASP.NET. So that is what called as code inline. Okay, that is what called as code inline. What is code behind? So it is a process of defining user interface and business logic code separately. User interface code is available in default.aspx. Business logic available in our aspx.cs. Okay, this is what. Okay. So somewhere some people told me, just moving down. Okay. Hmm. So if I modify like this, then what will happen? So if some spelling mistakes or something, I can cover like this. So and some people who are, so people may not aware, like some of them are not aware of my introduction. So I will just give those people who are not aware. So I'm Vishweswar. I have 8+ years of experience, and I have currently I'm working one of the MNC as a technically. So and I used to work on like ASP.NET, ASP.NET MVC, Web API, AngularJS, HTML related CSS, JavaScript, and Microsoft Azure DevOps. Currently, I'm working on Azure B2C related features also. So it's about me, and I'm a Microsoft certified. So I have a couple of certifications in Microsoft as a developer, and also whatever the book you are seeing here, that was written by me only from scratch to end. Okay, so the programs whatever you are seeing in the book, or the programs whichever you are seeing on my notepad or something, they're all I only executed on my own everything, and after that, after executing successfully, I copied them into the notepad or this book. Okay, the screenshots whatever I have kept here, those are all taken from our Visual Studio versions only. Okay. Okay, got it. So I'm just moving down here again. So now coding techniques. So basically code is so this is what two types. One is code inline and code behind. So by using code inline, we will simply design ASPX design. So by using code behind, I will just implement the C# related code. Okay. So and after that, our next topic is user controls. Basically, so basically, what will happen like user controls? So two types of user control. Simple. One is HTML and one is ASP.NET. So HTML is what? By using HTML, we'll implement all the static web pages. By using ASP.NET, what we will implement? We will implement what? Dynamic websites. Okay. So all the ASP.NET controls are server side and all the HTML controls are client side. Okay. So just note down this image. Okay. Just note down. This image is enough. Anyway, I will give this book read. Then you can. They'll have this theory. Okay, I'm just moving down. Done. So I won't Alia, but Naresh it is. Placements, I won't provide any. So I am also working as an employee in one of the company. So, but one clue I can give, that is India's most loud company. I don't know the company name. I forgot actually my company name, but clue for that is that one. Now you people can guess on your own. Okay, so done with this diagram. Can I move down? Yes, no, please confirm. And this diagram. So up to here, you can note down. So then I will explain about the syntax. See, sir, whenever we are dragging and dropping, we'll get the controls automatically. But what I suggest you guys, so we'll follow the syntax. Yeah, so we should gain the knowledge. We should not get the knowledge practically. So we should get the knowledge theory. So sorry, we should not get the knowledge theoretically. We should get the knowledge practically. So if whenever we are gaining knowledge in real time, then you can do miracles in IT. Okay, that's why I'm just telling you guys. So whenever I will explain. So for example, if something is there, I will explain in real time how we can do that in real time, what we can do that in real time. Everything I will explain. Just follow those things. Okay, follow those things, then you will get complete idea on it. Okay, up to here, this line, and after that I will we'll write some syntax for that. Okay, so done, right? So we'll so done. So if you want to declare a control here, so basically see how we need to write a syntax. So simple. So this is a container tag. So it will have both closing and starting element. So first I will write this one. So that one is ASP control name, and close this one, ASP colon control name. Okay, so after that, here what you will do, so we need to keep basically ASP.NET works on server side. That's the reason we need to mention. So that is the reason run net equals to server. Okay, so this is what the syntax for declaring a control. Okay, so now example, now simple. Now what are different controls available in .NET? So I will take text box, label, checkbox, radio button, and what else we have? A drop down list. Yeah, and what else? Tell me. So for now, we just will see one or two. We'll see example for this. Now label. I will just keep label. Now tell me. So ASP colon. What is the control name? Label. Okay. So run it equals to server. SCR VR something like, okay. Now after that, what do you do? Here again ASP colon label. Okay, that's it. So best, see for example, if you want to add some BG color, if you want to add some text, properties, everything, all those things are based upon, see we can add ID equal to label one, label one. Okay, and you can keep some text equal to username, anything whatever based upon our requirement we can add anything for that. Okay, this is what, so similarly how you will write text box. So now what is the control name? Text box, run it equal to server. What is the control name here again? Text box. That's it. So got it now? Any questions here, or can I explain again? Yes, no, please. Are you guys able to hear me, or I'm speaking on mute? Okay, so anyone want me to explain again? Okay, it's run at not run. Okay, so see every server side will have an attribute called run at equal server, then the control. Okay, so I'm just okay, okay, I will explain. Okay, just note down this one on the note. Okay, so if you are not getting means, so you missed installation of ASP.NET features. So try reinstalling again. So then I will get it. Okay. Okay. Swapnil. So done. So what will happen? Like actually, uh, so why I'm giving. So see, now you people can understand how to write the control. That's the reason. For few things, I will give you notepad. So I mean, I will give extra points in notepad apart from my book, our book. So follow like this. Okay. So done. Can I move to next one? Yes. No. Please confirm. Okay. Fine. So I will move to the next concept. So everyone done? Please confirm. Yeah. Yeah. So I'm just moving down there. So now we'll go for the text box. So I will just give, we have 7 minutes only. I will just give, explain what is text box and all. And tomorrow we'll see examples for that and what are different types of things and all. Okay. So first I will open label. So what is label? Label is a controller act like a caption for other controls. Okay. So what is text box purpose? So that is used for what? Entering or accepting the some data like text A B C D X Y Z whatever it may be. Okay, we have three types of text box related: single line, multi-line, password. That's what we have seen yesterday. I will show now. Okay. Okay. So so see, label first. I will drag and drop label. Where is the label? Okay. So and I will drag and drop one text box also. We'll see both of them now. Right? I'm just dragging and dropping this text box now. Now it will listen my words. Okay, so fine. So now right click on the control. So now we'll see the syntax for this one now. Now you people can easily guess now. See here, ASP. What is the control name? Label, ID, run at equal to server. That's it. So text is what is this text? So simple caption for this username. Okay, that's it. See, did we got anything here? Here, the second one. ASP, control name, ID, run it equal to server, and the closing of this one. Got it? So similarly, if I drag and drop button, where is that button? B for button. This one. Okay, now see here. Source. See, ASP, control name, ID equal to this one, run it equal to server. That's it. Okay, but it says it's a non-container tag. It is having self-ending tag. Okay, this is what. So similarly, if you want to open checkbox, then simple. What I will do here, I will keep on checkbox. See, ASP checkbox run at equal to server. something like drop down. See, we are all getting like this, right? So that's it. So people got it now. Okay. So any questions here up to now? Okay. So yesterday I have explained you guys, like if you are not finding ASP.NET feature, that means so when you are installing your Visual Studio, if you did not included ASP.NET features. Okay. So those whoever not having ASP.NET features, you need to open the setup file. From there, you need to click on modify. So then you will get one option to modify the features. So then you can add ASP.NET features. So if you have a doubt, so you open that setup file and click on modify. After that, share me the screenshot. I will help you guys to check what are the things. Okay, so that you will get all the ASP.NET features also. Okay, so try to open Visual Studio and try to practice. See, so, sir, what we have done till now, that did not done anything. What we need to practice? Simple. So up to the drag and drop some text box. So you just observe what is this design, what is this split, what is this source. That is enough. Okay, so maybe tomorrow, day after tomorrow, when we go with some programs and all, then you people will get high confidence and it will become very much easy for you guys. So if you have some doubt, immediately ping me, sir. Sir, I'm having doubt here, sir. Can you help me? Share the screenshot. I will help you. Okay, fine. Any questions? Okay, I'm taking it as thanks all for joining. We'll meet tomorrow.